If you are new to the pocket option, or if you don't know about the achievements and the gems and how you can use it for your own benefit, then this video is for you. Watch this video very carefully, because I'm going to give you some information that can be extremely helpful for you for today and for upcoming days too. And also at the end of this video, I'll give you the setting of this 3 moving average so that you can use it too. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, most people don't know achievements are those things pocket option gives you whenever you complete some trading activities. For example, if you deposited, okay, if you did something inside this platform, then you get achievements, and which is located at here. If you click on here, then there will be notification on how much achievements you have got. So as you can see here in this account, there are 27 achievements. So let me click at here and show you. So as you can see here, these achievements are already unlocked. Okay, so for first time deposit, this achievements was given to this account. Okay, and you can see there are lots of achievements, and for these all achievements, okay, there are these gems that are provided to this account. And here you can see red gems are 58, blue gems is 14, and green gems is 0. Okay, so now to accept these gems, whenever you immediately get it, you can accept it by clicking here, or if it is collected at here, then just click on accept all. So now if you want my suggestion, then I would say you to you can accept it. Okay, it's not a problem, but you can keep it like this. Okay, to accept all, you can just click on, or you can just not accept it and keep on putting it, collecting these gems. Okay, as you can see here, you can collect these gems as much as you can, so that you can use it to for your benefit by redeeming it in a higher rewards. Okay, so once your gems is accepted, then it will show at here. Okay, and here you can see these are the achievements that was unlocked. Okay, and if you click on any of these, then this gems this achievement will explain, try it safely, this was the achievement. Okay, and for this, one red gem was given. Okay, so as you can see, when second deposit was made, okay, this gems was given. Okay, sorry, this achievement was given, and the gems that were given are 2 red gems. Okay, and once you collect these gems, then you can just click on this, go to the market. So now you will see this kind of screen, and here you can see this account has a 5% discount on whatever it purchases. Okay, so this kind of discount you can get while you keep on trading with this platform. Okay, and by the way, if you need free binary signals to trade on pocket option, then do join my Telegram. Okay, I'll give the link in the description of this video. So these are the gems. Now scroll below. Okay, and here you can see it will say no, you have insufficient fund. That means you cannot purchase this. But if you had this 4 red gem, 2 blue gem, and 3 this gem, then you could have got this reward. That means if you deposit $50, okay, then you can get up to $200. Okay, promo codes. Okay, you can purchase these kind of things. But as you can see here, these are in here, you don't, this account doesn't have sufficient funds. So let's see in another. Okay, bonus to balance. Okay, so as you can see, if there were 9 gems, 9 green, 2 blue, okay, and then red 2, then you could have got this $5 extra balance to your deposit. So here you can see get money to your trading balance instantly. I think you don't even need to deposit, just activate it. Okay, just purchase it and your $5 will be added. So now if you see in risk free, then let's say you have 4 green gem, 3 blue and 3 red gem. Then what happens is, let's say you purchased it, okay, and you made a trade of $10 and you lost that $10, then you can easily cancel that trade, okay, with the help of this purchase. Okay, in this way you can cancel lots of other trades by having these gems. Okay, so everything works in this way. You can visit to here and see everything. Okay, and if you need a proper clear clarification on what this purchase will give you benefit, okay, you just can hover your mouse here and read it. Okay, so now let's talk about this trading setting. Okay, I hope you have already understood about the achievements and gems, and if you still have some question, then you can ask me in the comment section below, and please do like this video, okay, and do subscribe to my channel. Now let me show you the setting of this moving average. These are the 3 moving average. You can just click on here, okay, and one stochastic oscillator is also at here. Okay, you can just click on here and press on moving average, okay, and it will be at here, okay. And then you can again click on here and search for stochastic oscillator and just click on it and it will be at here. Now if you want the setting of the stochastic oscillator, then it is 1433 SMA, okay. This much you can use. And if you see the moving average, you can click on here 28 period EMA, okay. And second one is 2 period SMA, and the third one is 5 period SMA, okay. You can use this setting to do trading. Now to be honest, this is not my setting, okay. It is setting of one of my VIP binary signals subscriber account and his settings, and I like the way these crossovers were happening, okay, and it was showing exactly where the market was going in the real time. As you can see, here was one crossover, it started to move up, you could have clicked on higher and purchased it, okay. And you can see these candles, I think it is not a Japanese candlestick, it is Heikinasi candlestick, okay. Heikinasi candlestick shows you the clear trend on where exactly the market is going on real time, if it is going down or if it is going above, okay. So you can use this setting to trade for yourself, but this is not my setting, okay, and I have not made any trade with this setting, but it seems interesting, you can test it. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.